Prio pen, the speaker grille of the center console. Remove the 3 mounting screws of the screen. Unplug the connector of the dashboard display. Removing the center console dashboard. Take off the silicone cover and unscrew the 4 fixing screws. Pry open the central air conditioning control panel. Remove the 2 screws from the main unit. Reconnect the power cable of the main unit. This vehicle is equipped with a fiber optic system and requires the use of small speakers. Connect the AUX audio box. Remove the 8 mounting screws from the metal bracket. Remove the 6 mounting screws from the instrument panel. Remove the instrument panel cover. Remove the 2 screws that secure the instrument dial. Take off the instrument dial panel. Connect the power cable to the LCD instrument panel. Covering the LCD instrument panel. Tighten the 6 mounting screws on the instrument. Install the metal bracket for the instrument. Tighten the 8 mounting screws on the bracket. Connect an external microphone. Connect LVDS cable. Connect the 4G and GPS antennas. Transfer the instrument power plug. Tighten the 3 mounting screws on the screen. Cover the center console speaker grille.